I published my first VS Code extension. This is a code snippet extension and it will generate boilerplate code for basic Express server and different root methods like get root, post root, put root, delete root, all roots, MongoDB connection. Go to the official Visual Studio API page and copy this code. Paste it in the terminal. Now it will generate scaffolds, necessary dependencies, and code for extension development. Now copy this YO code. Paste it. Fill in the basic details. Type of extension is new code snippet. Name is Express Snippet. Write some description. Language ID, JavaScript. Open with versus code. It generated these files for us. We have to work on these two files. Package.json and code snippet file. Create a new object. First, create a prefix or trigger. Next is the body. Now go to ChatGPT and type code for Express server. And it will generate basic code for the Express server. Copy this code. Paste it here in the body. Now the body is an array of strings. So put each line of code into quotes and separate it by comma. Add description. Now go to package.json. Add publisher name. Add icon image for the extension. Add a Git repository for the extension. Let's run this extension, press F5. It will open a new VS Code window with our extension installed in it. Type our prefix. !Express. Look at this suggestion. This is because of our extension. Press enter. And it will generate these codes for us. Let's improve our code. Add some blank lines and spaces. Run this code again by pressing F5. Type our prefix. !Express. Press enter. And it will generate these codes for us. It looks better. Now go to the publishing extensions. Install this command line tool for packaging. Now create Azure DevOps account and create a new organization. Open terminal and run command VSC package. It will package our extension. This is the packaged file. Now go to the marketplace of Visual Studio Code by clicking here. Click on the new extension and select Visual Studio Code. Upload the packaged file. Our extension is published and under review.
2 hours later.
Extension is approved. In the meantime, I use ChatGPT to generate all these code snippets to add some more functionalities. This is a basic Express server snippet. Get root snippet. Post root snippet. Put root snippet. Delete root snippet. All for roots snippet. MongoDB snippet for local connection. MongoDB snippet for cloud connection. Also updated this README file. In the package.json file, let's update the version and description. I also added this license file for the extension. Run this command to package this extension. Now go to the marketplace of Visual Studio Code. Click here and select Update. Now upload the packaged file. And a new version of this extension is published. Let's check this out. Go to Visual Studio Code and click on Extension. Search for Express Snippet. And this is our extension. This is the README file that explains triggers of our extension. Let's install this extension. Now create a JavaScript file. Type !express and press enter. It will generate all this code. These are the triggers for our extension. Type !root.all and press enter. It will generate all 4 Express roots for us. Type !root.get and press enter. This is the code for get root. Type !root.post and press enter. This is the code for post root. Type !root.put and press enter. Type !root.delete and press enter. Type !mongo.cloud and press enter. Type !mongo.local and press enter. All these code snippets are created by ChatGPT. This code snippet extension is live. You can install this in your VS Code and test it. You should also try to publish your own extension. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.